Hi, it's Yoshi. Today I'd like to talk about chest lift. Chest lift is like the most simplest version of the abdominal exercise. And this is really important to do it right, because if you cannot do this right, any abdominal exercise will be off. Because of the spine have many pieces, we really have to work with proper alignment. Whenever we try to contract, it's gonna shorten and goes off the alignment, and that's how we create lower back pain or neck pain. The main focus of abdominal exercise should be elongating the spine so that you don't put too much pressure on the neck or lower back. Another thing I want you to remember when you watch my video is I make a little modification here and there to make sure it's safe and effective. So it might be different from what other instructor teaches or whatever you see in the Pilates textbooks, but any adjustment I make, I have reason. Feel free to shoot me with a question or a comment. Let's start today's talk.
Lying down your back, feet sit bone with the butt, knees are bent. Hands behind your head. Inhale, lift the head. Exhale, hold. Inhale, lower. Inhale to lift. Exhale, hold. Inhale, lower. Exhale, hold. Elongating back of the spine on the way up and on the way down. Press the feet firmly down and keep the sit bones wide. Try to articulate the spine even in this small movement. Widen the back and keep the back wide when you lower. Now let's twist. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Elongating the spine when you come back to center, and try to keep the spine long when you twist. Reaching inside of the elbow to the knee. Feel the stretch behind the ribs. Come back to center and slowly lower down. Let's do a few more without rotation to find the straight line of the spine. Keep the shoulders down, elbows are wide. Try to mobilize in between your scapulars, the base of the neck, elongating the neck. One more. Slowly lower down, and we are done.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. Don't forget, it's about the body. Enjoy your practice.